Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Depth.
What does the dictionary say?
Dimension taken through an object or body of material, usually downward from an upper surface, horizontally inward from an outer surface, or from top to bottom of something regarded as one of several layers.
Math Rap.
The distance from the top to bottom or front to back. You can measure it in a box or a can of wax. You can even measure the depth of things in motion, like a full bathtub or the Pacific Ocean.
Math Rap.
Explain depth in your own words. What gets bigger the more you take away from it? A hole. What is the deepest pool in which you have gone swimming? Did you touch the bottom? Research time. What has more depth? The Pacific Ocean, the Arctic Ocean, or the collective knowledge of your math teacher? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!